Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So you see my compressor here. Now it has an outlet for an air hose. Now I'm going to be doing my roof and I want to run more than one nail gun. So what is going to have to happen here is a T is going to have to be made up. So this outlet will be split off into two different directions for two nail guns. This is a relatively simple job. If you're gonna run more nail guns, you're just gonna repeat the procedure for all the hoses that you need to run. The only difference will be that you're gonna need a storage tank so your compressor is not running all the time. But with that in mind, what we'll do now is material and tools. All right, this is the materials and tools list for this job. So I have a 1/4" T. So this fitting doesn't have the connections that you need to adapt for your hose, but this is a 1/4" T. It's NTP, which is National Pipe Thread. Now these fittings here I bought for my air hose. So it has two males and a female, but the ends here is what we're gonna need for this here. Even though it says that the male fittings are pre-applied with pipe sealant, here is Teflon tape. For tools, a 10" crescent wrench and a 6" crescent wrench. Guys, this is all we need for material and tools on this job. So let's make up this T. All right, so this is our T here. Now you can either orientate it like this or you can orientate it like this. So for our first side here, this is female thread, this is male thread. So I'll take my one adapter. This is the male thread. You see the sealant here. Now I'm just going to add Teflon tape to make a better connection. This is white Teflon tape, so we'll wrap it 6 times. With this here, just make sure that you clear the hole out. And now thread it in by hand as far as you can get it to go, which is there. And then go ahead and tighten it on. So for this one here, I'm going to once again just add Teflon tape. And then we'll do the last fitting. Alright, so this is our fitting with the quick disconnect. Push it in, give it a pull. Now you can run your two hoses off the end. So this is the way I will prefer to do this because it'll just come out straight. So when you push it in, make sure that you give it a pull and you'll be good to go. So if you want to add another hose, then another couple fittings, you can just add another one onto it and then off you go. Like I said, the more guns that you have going, you're probably going to need a storage tank because a compressor like this probably won't be able to keep up. This is only a 2.6 gallon. All right, this is a 3/8 by 50-foot rubber hose. So the connections are this threaded type of connection. So on one end of the hose, you're going to put a male. On the other end of the hose, and that is what I use for the original one here, you're going to put a female end. So why they don't give you this stuff all in one package, I don't know. But when it comes to adding extra nail guns onto your compressor, what you're going to need is a T like this with 3 male ends. And then I'm now going to have to go and get another package like this that has a male and a female end for my hose here. So when I do my roof, I have 2 nail guns going. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.